Hello everybody. So in today's video I'm going to be drawing you all a box of movie popcorn. First going to start out by drawing the first popcorn. Pretty much drawing popcorn is just like drawing small little clouds. I drew one. Now I'm going to draw another one over here. And then I'm going to draw one more at the bottom of the box over here. Kind of make it look like as if it's falling out of the box. Now I'm going to draw the bottom of the box. Start out with a line from here. Just bring it up over here. And draw another line from here. And then just bring it all the way down till here. I'm going to connect this line from here. Just going to draw one line from here now till about here. Then I'm just going to do a few more lines from here. I'm just going to go past this. Just going to erase these extra lines. Now I'm going to do another set of lines from this side. And the last one over here. Now I'm going to draw some curved lines from the top over here. Comment below guys and let me know which was the first movie I ever saw in a movie theater. And we all got to try out these big old boxes of popcorn. Trying to remember the movie I seen first in the theater where I had popcorn. And I think it was the movie The Beach with Leonardo DiCaprio. I know I butchered his last name. And then finally I'm going to do another one and connect it up over here. Now I'm going to start drawing the popcorn in the box, which is the same little cloud design that we did. Has anybody ever tried caramel popcorn? That's another one thing I've tried a while ago. And gosh, is it addicting. Not too much though, just in moderation. Pretty much drawing the popcorn in the box is just, it's like drawing clouds in the sky. It's just a bunch of curved lines or arcs. Connecting the arcs to the box. When I first seen this box in a movie theater, I almost also remembered of Chinese takeout, because they're in similar shaped boxes, except the top has got those little flaps that you close. And draw one more popcorn at the top. Kind of looks like it was just popping and gonna fall off the box. I try to get these videos done in one take and see if I can do it. So far, so good. And there we have it, people, our lovely little movie popcorn box. So for the next part of this video, what I'm going to do is just do a time lapse and color this popcorn box in. And I guess that's it, end the video. Thanks for following along and maybe drawing, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye for now.